time for the chicken dance. It's time for the chicken dance. It's time. All right, so this is another silly song, but it's gonna work some things in there. It's called the chicken dance, right? So we got the wings gotta flap. So it'll be like at the beginning it'll go, boom, take your wings and flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken. But the counts I want you to get is the 1 and 2, 3 and 4 upside, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then it's gonna say, do the chicken, do your neck, like this, same thing. Because we're working on that double bounce, hey, and 1, 2, 3. You just have them just be real cool and do that neck to the side. Like, then we're gonna have them pose, arms out, and you're gonna cross, arms out, and you're gonna cross. And then when it says bounce in a circle, I want you to have them make a circle like this, and bounce and reverse it like this. And then fan yourself. Fan, da, other side, ha, just like that. So again, working in, boom, 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 boom. All these dance moves are found in the chicken dance. So let's get our chicken dance on.
Yeah, it's time to get high. This is the chicken dance. Let's go. Now take your wings and flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken. And take your wings and flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken right now. And take your neck and do the chicken head, do the chicken head, do the chicken head. Come on, take your neck and do the chicken head, do the chicken head right now. Now put your arms out, and cross them right now. Put your arms out, and cross them right now. Put your arms out, and cross them right now. And nod your head going up and down. Let me see you just bounce in the circle. Let me see you just bounce in the circle. Come on, let me see you just bounce in the circle. You bounce in the circle when you get your groove on. Take your hand and fan yourself, cause you too high. Take your hand and fan yourself, cause you too high. Take your hand and fan yourself, cause you too high. You too high. Let's go. Take your wings and flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken, flap like a chicken.